If you're a farmer looking to increase your yield per acre using the latest technology, this video is for you. Today we're talking about how artificial intelligence is helping farmers grow more using less, with real examples and tools you can use. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical farm-focused content like this. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know 5 free AI tools which can help you boost your yield. Artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most powerful tools available to farmers today, especially when it comes to increasing yield per acre. By turning raw field data into smart, real-time decisions, AI helps reduce waste, cut costs, and grow healthier crops. Here's how it's working on actual farms around the world. It starts with understanding the land. AI-powered systems gather data from soil sensors, weather stations, and drones to measure moisture, temperature, nutrient levels, and local climate patterns. Instead of treating the whole field the same, AI allows farmers to manage small zones differently based on their specific needs. This is called precision farming, and it's already in use through platforms like Climate Field View, which helps farmers adjust their operations per square meter, not just per acre. As a result, water, fertilizers, and seeds are used more efficiently, boosting yields and lowering input costs. Next, AI supports early problem detection. Drones and satellite imagery, combined with AI, can scan entire fields and recognize early signs of plant stress. Whether it's a pest infestation, a fungal disease, or a nutrient deficiency, AI can detect it before it becomes visible to the naked eye. This early warning system allows farmers to take fast, targeted action, stopping the problem before it spreads and protecting overall yield. Tools like Plantix, an AI-based mobile app, help farmers identify plant diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies using just a photo and offer tailored advice on how to treat these issues. Water is one of the most limited resources in farming. AI helps conserve it through smart irrigation systems. By analyzing both short-term weather forecasts and real-time soil moisture levels, AI determines the exact amount of water each part of the field needs. Tools like CropX automatically adjust irrigation schedules and volumes based on real-time data. This not only saves water, but also improves crop health by avoiding over- or underwatering, which directly contributes to higher productivity. In the background, AI is also speeding up how we develop better crops. By analyzing plant genetics and environmental data, AI helps researchers and breeders identify which crop traits are linked to higher yield, drought resistance, or pest tolerance. This accelerates the process of developing new varieties that are more suitable for local conditions, especially in areas facing climate stress. Timing is critical in agriculture, and AI helps get it right. Using long-term weather and crop data, AI models predict the optimal time to plant, irrigate, and harvest. Planting too early or harvesting too late can cost farmers significantly. Predictive analytics help reduce this risk by giving farmers reliable timing recommendations tailored to their location and crop. Labor shortages are another challenge that AI is helping to solve. Autonomous machinery, tractors, seeders, and harvesters are now being guided by AI systems. These machines can work day and night, follow precise paths, and reduce overlapping or missed areas. They're already in use in commercial farms to reduce labor dependency and improve overall field efficiency. For instance, Acre uses drone imagery combined with AI to help farmers assess crop health, detect diseases, and manage field variability, all while improving productivity. Fertilizer and pesticide use is another area where AI adds precision. Instead of blanket spraying entire fields, AI helps farmers apply just the right amount in just the right spots. This targeted application saves money, protects the environment, and keeps the soil healthier in the long term, all of which contribute to better yields in future seasons. Taranis is another tool that uses high-resolution imagery, machine learning, and AI to detect pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies early in the crop cycle, allowing farmers to take action before damage occurs. Planning ahead is also easier with AI. Yield forecasting models use ongoing weather, crop health, and field data to predict how much produce a farm will generate weeks or months before harvest. This allows farmers to plan sales, storage, transport, and labor in advance, reducing waste and increasing profits. Real-world examples prove that these AI tools work. In India, farmers using AI apps like Plantix for crop diagnosis and field management have reported 10 to 30% increases in yield during pilot projects. In the United States, farms using precision AI tools for corn farming have seen yield improvements of 15 to 20% per acre. These aren't future technologies, they're already being used and delivering results. With the growing challenges of climate change, rising input costs, and shrinking farmland, AI is giving farmers the ability to make smarter choices every day. It doesn't replace the farmer's experience, it adds to it, helping to get the most out of every acre season after season. And stay tuned till the end of the video, where I'll let you know 5 free AI tools which can help you boost your yield and streamline your farming practices. These tools are available to help you get started with AI in your farming practices without a significant upfront investment. Be sure to check them out and see how they can fit your farm's needs. Plantix, an AI-based mobile app that helps farmers identify plant diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies using just a photo. CropX, a soil sensor and AI platform that helps optimize irrigation by analyzing real-time soil moisture data, weather forecasts, and crop requirements. Agremo, AI-driven crop monitoring using drone imagery, helping farmers assess crop health, detect diseases, and manage field variability. Taranis, high-resolution imagery combined with machine learning and AI, allowing early detection of pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies. Climate Field View, a platform with a free trial to monitor and analyze field data, giving farmers insights into soil, moisture, and weather conditions for better crop management.